Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhat and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhijna Legal Maps. So we know that All India Bar Examination 19 recently was conducted and also the key answers were uploaded on the official website. But most of the students have thought that these are the final answers. No, but they aren't. Okay, they are only the provisional key answers and you have the time till 10th January 2025 for raising objections. If you have any objections in the key answers which has been released, you can file your objections upon payment of certain fees and raise your objections so that the Bar Council or the All India Bar Examination Committee, they can evaluate whether the objection is proper or not, so that the marks could be allotted, grace marks could be allotted, or any questions could be withdrawn, or the options, the answers it could be changed. So in such manner they have to be raised. Okay. So if we see, there are 2 points which we have to consider. In the official website we can see the All India Bar Examination website is has uploaded one disclaimer saying that there is some mismatches between OMR sheet and question paper booklet. Okay. In such cases also, it has assured students that to remain calm and it will not affect their evaluation of the results. Even in case some discrepancies are found in question paper serial number and OMR sheet serial number, that won't affect your results. Okay. That is one aspect. And the second aspect is that, see, they have given, see here you can see the answer key has been uploaded here. Okay. These are only the provisional key answers for all 4 sets, set A, set B, set C and set D. 4 answers have been given, 4 sets have been given. So likewise here we can see that these are only the provisional key answers. For that you can raise your objections by logging here and raising your objection. They have given guidelines here, see guidelines for objection tracker. Here it says that if you are having objection regarding any question, a particular question, then you can pay ₹500 for every objection. Objection in the sense, for one question, one objection. So if you are raising objection for one question, you need to pay ₹500. Okay, you need to pay ₹500 and thus how many, depending upon the how many questions, how many objections you raise, so many so much of amount you have to pay for one question, ₹500. Okay. So likewise they have given, see everything is online and if the question is said to be correct according to your evaluation, then whatever the amount, that will be refunded to you if your reasoning is proper, but you need to provide proper reference. Okay. Here you need to provide proper reference, they have given here. See here the book reference, it could be website link or book title, or from which reference you have taken, book title, author name, the reason, all those you have to submit. So objection is not just random. Okay. If you have any objection to the questions, then it needs to be supported with proper reasoning. For that reasoning you need to have a proper source, right, for proper reference has to be there. So that is what they have given in this guidelines. And see here, for every question there is a proper tab which shows that you can raise objection, and it also shows if you have already raised, okay, then it shows that like to keep a check like whether this is possible or not. Okay. Then once you complete all questions, how many questions you want to raise, you can raise, and then you have to make the payment here. Okay. On the payment you will receive a receipt. This is how the objections are raised. If you, because sometimes what happens, the results may vary, some are in the borderline, maybe in 35, 36, 39, 38, if because 40 is the clearing marks, right, for some categories. So 45, 40 marks, in this range if you are there, then definitely you can raise objections if you have genuine reasons for them. Okay. If the question is if improper, if the options are improper, in such cases you may refer that. Okay. Yes, this was all about raising objections for All India Bar Examinations and these are not final key answers. So, do not come to a conclusion that you have passed or you have not passed. So, do not come to any conclusion, because you have time up to 10th January 2025. So, till there you have time. So, you may have to wait, and thus later you will get a final key answer. Depending upon or considering your objections, they will release the final key answers. Okay? Yes, sir. So, this was all about our All India Bar examination, and for other students, if you are willing to join any of our course, we have Abhijna Law Series app in Google Play Store. Okay, or you can also check www.abhijnalegal.in, or we also have WhatsApp channel. You can join there so that you can get regular updates about our YouTube videos and all any posts which we post in future. And we have 7 study material, 6 in English, 1 in translation Kannada, but you can make use of these English charts. These are all chart book, okay, based on new criminal laws. Not only charts, you also have certain new changes introduced. So many different aspects are there. You have CPC, you have constitution, so other books are also there. You have 30% off till 2nd January, okay. So you can use the code SALE30, and very shortly we are also going to come up with English video courses, recorded lecture course we are going to upload. So do download this app, check if it is relevant to you, and also join our different groups. The link which we have given provided. We have different social media platforms. We have Insta, we have Telegram or Facebook. So whichever is relevant for you, you can join them. So all this is what I want to say in this video. So do subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are interested, and also press the bell icon for regular updates. So thanking you. I will be signing off. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.